knew that Mpumelelo is not going to be happy about this. So anyway, guys, let's get started today. No, the rest of the house is Samara Pizang for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Sunday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to started today. For those who don't know what's going on, it is Ngani Entertainment season 4. It is coming back on our screen this coming Thursday. Be ready to defend your faith, guys. At 8 o'clock on Sunday Magic. So guys, just to remember on Tennis Temple season 9, almost Samselek was having a conversation, Abongwe, guys, he was telling Abongwe, you will take over, the Max, thanks Max production. And guys, Abongwe, she was not happy, guys, it seems like Magdalene has advised Abongwe, you know what, stay away from your father's property, you know very well what's in a polygamous marriage, guys, guys. So on the trailer on his Tembo season 4, we see Lipuwezi Lasemzumbe complaining like, why did you give Abongwe the company, guys? Mpumelelo is not happy, guys. So we're gonna find out on his Tembo season 4. So guys, yesterday Abongwe posted, as you can see, she went on to say nothing beats buying new equipment and having this whole space to try out and test my lighting. I am super happy, guys. So she's currently busy building her own stuff, guys. I don't think she's gonna take a company given by Muslims because the inkulumo, guys. One thing about Matela, guys. So probably she has advised or Abongwe to do her own things, guys, So yes, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.